What's up, real estate agents? Welcome back to my Monday morning show. Should you be doing shorter videos or longer videos? Do all of these real estate YouTube channels get leads or do some of them not? Well, I'm here on video series number 2, how you can grow the biggest, baddest real estate YouTube channel in your market, guaranteed and backed by data, facts, and analytics. Last week, we talked about how comments can actually get you way more views and help you rank your videos number 1. I broke it down. I shared every single video. If you did not watch that after this video, go check it out. But today we're talking about long videos versus short videos. Should you be doing a lot of short videos or should you focus on one big, good, long video? We will tell you everything you need to know, and I'll be breaking it down with my channel so that you can actually see the proof and you can start getting hundreds of leads from your YouTube channel. Let's go, homies. Like I mentioned in last week's show, comments have a very strong correlation with rankings. That was a great breakdown. What did you guys think about that video? I thought it was pretty good. Now, the second one, number 2 on the list, longer videos outrank short videos. I don't know how long I have preached this for over 5 years. I will never, ever touch a short video. I did it for a long time. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute videos. I've heard people have an attention span of a goldfish, 7 seconds. I don't care. At the end of the day, I have preached good, long, organic YouTube videos are the best. But now this is the greatest report ever because it backs it and I love it. So let's go through and start reading some of this. When it comes to video SEO, okay, search engine optimization, this is why I hate it when people say that their SEO, it just automatically helps rank videos, they guarantee it. Bullshit. You gotta have great long videos. Here's why. Should you create short videos or are you better off with longer videos that cover a topic in depth? We analyzed our data to find out. Our data shows that longer videos tend to significantly outrank short videos. Check out that line graph. Me gusto. In fact, the average length of a video ranking on first page of YouTube is 14 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm not talking about little 2 and 3 minute videos. If you want to rank, you got to make killer, good, long, organic videos. I'm gonna learn y'all how to do that here in a second. Now, at the end of this video, like I do every week in my Monday morning show, I will not only talk about why these YouTube videos that need to be long, I'm gonna give you a bunch of examples and pointers of how you can make your videos longer and get better average view durations so that you can outrank anybody in your market, no matter how new or old your channel is, guaranteed. YouTube has publicly confirmed that the video's total watch time is a key ranking signal. Here's me when I go on stage. You need to make the best videos about your city. You need to have the longest average view durations and the longest watch times. Yes, click-through rates are very important because they got to click on the video, but if you have the single greatest thumbnail and title ever in a terrible video, you're never gonna rank. And here's my competitor. I guarantee with my SEO that you can rank number 1 in your city, guaranteed. Did I say guaranteed? Yeah, we heard you, bro-tato chip. Let's just hear from Mr. YouTube right here, or Mrs. We focus on those videos that increase the amount of time that the viewer will spend watching videos on YouTube. Yes, this is exactly what I've said. This is why I don't mess with YouTube Shorts. I don't care if they boost them out there and you get millions of views. It's just not what our audience wants. We're trying to rank videos number 1, not get all the attention. So, also in 2015, Google was granted a patent for an algorithm that uses watch time as a ranking signal. In short, YouTube wants to promote videos that keep people on YouTube for a longer period of time. Longer videos accomplish this best, hence the preference for longer video content. Another theory is that longer videos provide more overall value in a single video. This is true for how-to videos as well as other content designed to entertain. The value that longer videos provide may encourage more interaction signals, including comments and likes. We just covered that one last week, didn't we? In fact, if you do a cursory search of popular keywords, you'd be hard-pressed to find a short video less than 3 minutes ranking highly in the search results. Now, before I show their key takeaway here, I want to get into my YouTube channel and I'm gonna start breaking down the average view durations, the watch time, and we're gonna start seeing some very significant trends on the old data line here. Now, doing a search of living in Houston, Texas, which gets searched a huge amount of times per month, you're gonna notice, one, we've got our YouTube channel ranking number 1, which is amazing, but you're gonna notice a lot of the top videos in the search, well, first of all, they're mine, but they're 32 minutes, 33, 31, 19, 59, that's a 20-minute video, 16, 24, 17, 32, 33, 21. YouTube is pulling up the longest videos that not only are long, you can't just make a long video and hope that it works, because really long videos that don't get watched, well, they get absolutely no views. I've done it before, trust me. But once you get really good at making good long videos, you've got an incredible opportunity to rank #1 for your city and state. And as we do another search here, I just typed in living in Phoenix, Arizona again. Obviously a channel, this is one that I had helped a couple years ago, is ranking #1, and you will see her video is 19 minutes long. We got 19 minutes long, 16 minutes long, 15 minutes long, 14 minutes long, 12 minutes long, and then you'll get a couple of them here, 8, 9 minutes. And then my favorite part is they do put YouTube Shorts up here, but that does not look good. No views, no views, no views, 53 views. So again, YouTube Shorts are just something that people moving to your city are not watching. It might randomly fall on the laps of a bunch of people who do not want your content, and you could get one that gets tens or hundreds of thousands of views, but mainly the people that watch that are not people moving to your city, and it actually completely destroys your YouTube channel, because then it recommends out your good long form videos that are 19 minutes, just like Cheryl in Phoenix, to this audience that you now have who only enjoys short form content. They don't watch it, your average view durations go down, your average watch time goes down, and you don't rank #1. So please don't ever shoot short form videos. You gotta put in a little bit of extra work if you wanna rank #1. But the evidence is there. And the key takeaway from studying these millions of YouTube videos is that longer videos perform best in YouTube search. The average video on the first page of YouTube's search result is 14 minutes and 50 seconds long. Real quick, if you would, I need you guys to comment down below. What are you struggling with more? Is it trying to make longer videos, or is it trying to keep people to watch your videos longer? So what I mean by that is either write down, I'm having a hard time with making longer videos. This means you can't shoot videos longer than 10 or 15 minutes. Or B, you don't have any problem shooting a video that's 15, 20 minutes, but people are only watching 2 or 3 minutes of it. Let me know down in the comments what you struggle with most so that I can shoot a video to help exactly your issues with this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up some of my most popular videos that are longer, and I'm gonna explain my exact process through them and show the retention graphs of how we kept their attention so that you know exactly what to do in your next video. And the only thing that I ask from you, I shoot all these videos, I help you grow these real estate YouTube channels. You gotta hit the like button, homie. Right now, take a second, pause the video, go down, hit that like button. Please do that right now, or I'm gonna have to slap you. And did you ever wonder why all of these YouTube channels are called Living In and why they rank #1? You know your boy's got the $1 billion channel method right here, either hardbound book or you can listen to it on Audible, but I explain not only how I created the entire system, but how you can be the most dominant real estate YouTuber in your market. So check out the $1 billion channel method anywhere and join our free Facebook group, Channel Junkies YouTube for Real Estate. So what I wanted to do is just hop into my videos here, and I'm just gonna kind of pick one that I think did pretty well. We're gonna break down the average view duration, we're gonna break down the retention graph, and I'm gonna explain exactly what I did in that video to maintain these people for an extended period of time. So just looking at general view counts, and this is in the order of when I latest published it, and I focus on doing one good, really long video instead of doing 2 or 3 shorter videos. I haven't really had 10x growth. I've had about 100x growth doing this strategy, so you might want to pay attention. But if we scroll down here, I've got a couple of these, 25,000 views, 60,000 views, and these are just in the last month or two. But I just wanted to go to this one because I remember it being a pretty decent video. It's not one of my top performers. It's definitely not one of the lowest. But if we go to this video, we're going to notice a few things in the analytics. First of all, it's got a pretty good growth rate where it started down below everything, but it kind of caught fire about here 20 days in, and it started working its way up towards the top. And it's a video that gets a lot of views. It just got a view right now, as we saw right there. But we will go down and we're going to notice a few things, okay? Average percent viewed. Now, I get this brought up to me a lot. Jackson, I have a great average percent viewed. So there is a difference between average view duration and percent viewed. Average view duration on this video is 8 minutes and 53 seconds. So just about 9 minutes. The average percent viewed is 31%. People come up to me and go, Jackson, I don't know how these videos aren't working. I got like a 50% average percent viewed, right? And so I go and I look at it. Well, the video is 4 to 5 minutes long. So people are watching 2, 2.5, 3 minutes of it. That just is never gonna rank. It's never gonna get views. We talked about about what YouTube publicly came out and said, that longer videos are getting put up into the top search results. So I'm really gonna strive to try and get these longer videos. Now, if I shoot a 28-minute video, but I only have an average view duration of 3 to 4 minutes, it's also gonna fall flat on its face. So you gotta be really good at making good videos that are longer. Now, if we look at this, you're also gonna say, well, these are kind of lower numbers, Jackson. Yes, it's because if you just heard me, my channel erupted. It's 100 times bigger than it ever was, because if we go into the analytics, and this is a lower performing video, but I have 330,000 impressions on these videos, where back in the day, 60 to 70 days in, I might have 5,000-6,000 impressions. So I'm talking a massive 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x by really leveraging these strategies that I'm gonna talk about. So when you get 330,000 impressions, or some of my newer videos get 100,000 impressions in 4 days, like my last one, inevitably your average view durations and your retention rates are gonna start dipping. When I go to my last video that I actually uploaded and I published, and it is taking off right now, you will notice that browse features is my #1 traffic source. This is what's bringing the majority of my views. 74% of my views are coming from browse. Back in the day, a lot of times, a lot of my views would come strictly from search. So this meant that yes, my SEO was good, my optimization was good, but my videos really were not performing that well, and they were a lot shorter. So YouTube didn't recommend my videos out to a wider, broader audience. And so my videos now are going out to millions and millions of people. In fact, this channel right now has 41 million impressions, and it is mainly coming from browse. And that is telling me two things. My videos are getting watched for an extensive period of time. I'm getting a lot of engagement on them, and they're not only ranking #1, they are the #1 most recommended videos for my city. So one way that I keep people's attention to stay on the video for as long as possible is how I hook them at the very beginning, as we will listen to here. I'm pretty pumped about the one that we're going into today, because this is an area that I was kind of, I don't know if we should do this, JoJo. And when we got in there, I was shocked to see really just how gorgeous it was, how nice these homes were, and the affordability. So at the end of this video, we're actually gonna be showcasing something that I think you might not wanna miss. But First of all, I led with a word. I said I was shocked. So immediately they're like, whoa, it wasn't that nice, but what was it that he saw that was shocking? So immediately they're kind of like, I have to see what he's talking about. Second of all, you heard me at the very beginning say, wait till the end. You're not gonna wanna miss this, right? So these are key indicators that this is something in this video that you have to stay tuned to the end, but you can't just get away with doing that, because if you continue to just sit there and talk and never get to the actual point of the video, they will drop off. Key in point, I was coaching a real estate agent once who had a 24-minute video. I looked at his average view duration. It was 3 minutes long. I don't know what's going on, Jackson. My videos don't rank. I just can't get anything going. Well, let me watch the video. That video was about a full driving tour of an area of his city. Now, the problem was he didn't actually start driving or even get into the vehicle for 2 minutes and 34 seconds. That is a bait and switch with a title and a thumbnail. So immediately you've got to answer their question, and you got to get going in the meat of the video and give them something that they got to stay tuned at the end for, so that you get those average view durations up. So a huge tip for you is make sure that you don't bait and switch. If your title says something, right away get after it. If it's touring a house, then stand in front of the house and say, yes, I'm here right now, and I'm gonna take you inside of this house. But make sure that you stay tuned to the end, because I have the most shocking incentive that I have ever seen in Houston, Texas. And if you skip the end of the video, you'll never hear about it. Now, let's go get in the house, right? So now the title, it got them to click, and I answered their question right away. And I also told them they gotta stay tuned to the end. And then I'm gonna get right into the video, and I'm going to continue to have a lot of different scenes to keep their attention. And the most important thing that you must do, after about 3 days, you're gonna start getting your retention graphs. And if you're a newer channel, yours are probably gonna look a lot better than mine of percent viewed if you're doing good videos. Mine, again, gets so many impressions, but striving for this flat line right here, you're probably not gonna see that. You're gonna see massive drop-offs and dips. In fact, your video will land down here at 0% towards the end. I have really perfected keeping these videos somewhat flatlined for the entire video, and that is why I get so many recommended and browse feature views, and that is why we get 300 leads a month, and that is why we're closing hundreds of homes. But you have to read these spikes. What are these spikes? What are these dips? Right here, I've got a massive flat line. So I simply click on the video, and as you can see, I'm going by an actual house that they want to see that I have been teasing. And throughout this whole period here, I basically don't lose anybody. Study your dips and keep more of those and add more of those into your videos. Study your dips and get rid of those out of your videos. And make sure that your engagement on the videos goes through the roof. It statistically helps you rank your videos #1. I teach you in this video exactly how to do that, and I will see you on my next Monday morning show, homies. Catch you later.